I became involved with AIR. Well, first, I knew the Bakers. They were family friends, and then so I kind of started off that way. But then once my teacher, who was my role model, he had completed suicide, I became more involved with AIR after that because I saw that really anyone could be affected by mental illness and be afraid to get help. From my perspective, it's really important because it needs to be that everyone's okay with getting help because really anyone can suffer from a mental illness, and so many people are just afraid to go and get the help that they need that I think that that's such a tragedy because it can save so many lives because so many people complete suicide because they weren't comfortable getting help, so they were trying to deal with the problem on their own and they just were not successful in dealing with it. Well, I do kind of, I guess, a lot of stuff with AIR. I advertise through Facebook. I try and get all my friends to go to any AIR event. On top of that, I go to various schools to do the Coming Up for AIR presentation. And for me, myself, I'm in a special education program, so any chance I get to bring up AIR in class, I always do. I've written 2 papers on AIR to inform my professors and people at my schools about AIR, so I guess really just spreading the message really is my goal. I think I'm gaining a new perspective when it comes to mental illness. I always had a sympathy for mental illness because I had been affected by it with members of my family, but I think now since I'm in the process of becoming a teacher, I'm thinking about how I can spread AIR's message to my students so that if at any point in my teaching career I have a student with mental illness, I know how to appropriately deal with the situation and help them get the help that they really need. Teenagers and adults and pretty much anyone who needs help is okay to get it, that the stigma is at least erased for one person. So if at least one person who I have talked to about AIR, if they ever suffer from mental illness, if they feel comfortable to get the help they need, then I will feel like that was a success. I want AIR to be spread nationally. I would love to see AIR chapters all over the country spreading this message. I would love seeing it that schools around the country are doing the Coming Up for AIR presentation, that colleges have the Coming Up for AIR presentation, and that in that way it's making it so that kids understand mental illness and they are more comfortable with getting help because they don't think that it's something scary anymore. It's something that is very manageable and something that's very treatable. I'm Kelly Fisher, and I'm joining AIR and starting the conversation.
Excellent.